Hey YouTube, I'm going to be showing you how to get wavy hair overnight, or kind of like a crimped look. So I'm going to start off by brushing out my hair. I'm going to be taking mousse to my hair. I know this is wrinkled and all, but if you guys like this better, because it does make my videos look a little bit better. Taking small elastic but yeah, so you can leave your bangs out if you want, because I usually just straighten mine in the morning. So I'm gonna start off them. Okay. Section 1, 2, 3. Taking 3 under 2. Okay, and then 3 over 1, and then now we're gonna call this one 3. Taking 3 under 2, 3 over 1. Okay, now for the very back of the hair, what you can do is, hold on, let me secure this side. I'm going to split it in two and then work with So this is what it turned out like. I straightened my bangs. But yeah, if you want more tutorials,